as fucked. He don't care.
All right. I'm trying to make it easy for him and explain what happened.
So I'm going to make it easier for you. I'm going to give you a scenario, and you tell me what you want to do, okay?
Talk to me.
We're first come, first serve right now during rally.
Yeah.
This is what I got going on right now.
All right.
We're probably not going to look at your bike until tomorrow. I'm going to say afternoon. It could be earlier. I don't know.
Okay.
But this is worst case scenario.
Yeah.
Okay, no, worst case is tomorrow night.
I'm here
so
till Saturday, so.
you clearly can't ride, right?
No, I'm riding.
No.
Listen, if you're too busy, it is what it is.
No, here's-
I'm getting by, but like, it'd be nice
Oh,
to
I'm
just
not
have
pushing
the
you no more.
Okay.
You can take the bike.
Remember when I told you I'm going to give you the scenario and you're going to have an
tomorrow
option?
night.
No.
Maybe.
No.
Let her finish. That's the latest.
So your options are you can keep riding
Yes.
and come in tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. and get first come, first serve, like get in the queue.
Okay.
Or you can leave it with me right now, and so you're already in the list, but you're going to miss out on riding. So
Right.
you have a choice.
I am not leaving you my bike right now.
Okay, see, easy peasy.
Yeah,
That's
I'll come
if
in
you
the
just
morning.
if you're just quiet, we can talk. Yeah. Well, why didn't you bring me one? I need the coffee. I'm the one working today.
So just show up first come first serve.
9 a.m. and we yes, but we have a list. All right, so 9 a.m. But I'm going to tell you we.
first.
See, I told you, like, there's always a
And
list.
then we're gonna go to breakfast.
But we always have a line out here first thing in the morning. So if you really want to get in here first, you're going to have to get your ass up.
7:30.
That's fine.
Just get in line.
Yeah, don't drink too much tonight.
I don't drink.
You guys are this loud without alcohol. I cannot imagine you guys drinking.
You know why we don't drink?
Because of,
We're allergic to alcohol. We break out in handcuffs. All of us.
I have no
I don't have no warrants. Just don't look at me federally.
viral, right?
Yeah.
Customer service, Deadwood Cycles. Can't beat it. Can't wait till next year. I'm coming back with a new bike, and I'm gonna have it do something to it anyway.
we'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye, guys. Shit.
So I came to Sturgis and realized building this whole bike that I didn't have any mirrors. And I had a mirror hole, which I plugged with a screw, but the controls I used are metric. So all the adapters didn't exist. So I figured, well, I guess I'll just take my chances. Hopefully I don't get a ticket. Jason wouldn't let me do that. He modified the bolt that was in there and threaded it so that it could fit one of the mirrors I bought from you guys. And now I'm legal. So he saved the day.
This bike?
Yeah,
That's amazing.
yeah. That's a DNA for you. Yeah, this is compromised.
Holy shit,
Yeah. And then they tried to put something in there.
That stop leak.
Yeah.
Gross.
That's horrible. Fuck. This is why we do not do $399 Chinese wheels.
Michelin babies.
Yeah, this unfortunately it's not the tire or the tire manufacturer's fault. This is the rim manufacturer.
I've been to 4 consecutive trips up here since 83rd, Oklahoma, a little over 900 miles away. I ride it every year.
Alrighty. If we like the pullback, I'll go ahead. And
I do
forward
like
this.
it, yeah. It's not too far forward, and I think this is a great
Yeah, so the
position.
The ST has its own proprietary risers. So like the bolt pattern and like how the riser is set up is different than what we make. So.
Okay, so there wouldn't be a Paul Yaffe one, because I saw in other setups like the clamp rather than the Harley Davidson.
Yeah, so this is a rare bird.
Gotcha.
It's a one-off. Right. We've done 4 of these CVOs, and so it's not something that we get to keep in the shop and develop parts on. But yeah, we'd absolutely love to have one in the shop for a month and
These are the new bars. These are the 8-inch monkey bars. So the old bars, they were stock and they just curved over. They didn't go up high enough. My positioning, my arms were more down here, not very comfortable, and it put strain on my upper back, which I'd been having some back problems with that. This is more relaxed, more comfortable when it's up a little higher, you know, parallel to the deck, my shoulders and the arms.
Just tell me when.
That, a little bit more, right there. Yeah, I kind of want my thumb to be the same on both sides when I'm signaling,
Yeah,
and that's how I kind of gauge that.
Yep.
These are the Polyaphy 8-inch monkey bars, mini monkey bars, excuse me. I have a 2020 Road Glide special, which I have his 12-inch monkey bars, and I've ridden over almost 100,000 miles on that one in 4 years. I just bought this bike 2 months ago, and I've already put almost 10,000 miles.
Awesome bike.
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
The crushed carbon fiber on the front.
This is a 2024 Road Glide CVO ST. I brought it in yesterday evening, and they got me taken care of today. Had these in stock.
Yeah, you had the first appointment.
Yep.
Yeah. Do you have the backrest for this seat too? Or?
No, so earlier,
Just say, because if you did, it'd be perfect.
earlier I rode on a friend of mine's 26 Road Glide CVO ST to Black Hills Harley Davidson when Salomon set up with their booth, their tent set up. And I asked them about this. They can't exchange them at this time
Oh, okay.
because I don't use the driver backrest.
Oh,
I just
okay,
want a
okay.
regular standard
I gotcha.
road sofa, not the one with this, because it has this metal piece that locks in place with it. I don't want this.
Gotcha.
This came from the previous owner of this bike. He only rode it 1,600 miles
Right.
in a year and change. I've ridden this bike 2 months, right at the day, I think, and I've got almost 10,000 miles.
Right.
So I do a lot of riding, and
Yeah.
I need something more comfortable is what I'm getting to. So yes, it's a great seat though, don't get me wrong. It's better than the stock seat.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Sure. Awesome. Good.
Yeah, thank you again. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah. No, your air eye doesn't work. Oh, it's the fuse. It's okay. I got more in there. It's trash. It's been trash the whole time. He's gonna kill me. That's why I took the fuse out too. No, you don't have to do that. It's okay. Take the seat off. There's a 10 amp fuse in the. He's gonna kill me. He's definitely gonna kill me. You're paying for it. I can get it. I know. I spent 10 grand. It's been terrible. Yeah. This is what happens when you pay for Harleys.
You got a great attitude for a guy that's throwing money down there.
Nah, I don't give a shit. So it's on the car, it's forward. You should see a blue amp. Yep. There it is.
As great as it is to be helping people up front, we know we're not bringing in any more bikes for today. We're packed out. Okay, but every invoice, I'm going to have my iPad with me, so I just need a text. Hey, get out of there. I just need a text with the number, the tag number, and this with cell service, I can literally just pull it up and make corrections and text you back and say it's ready.
Okay, deal.
I'll just say 1973 awaiting pickup or whatever like that.
Do you want me to tee it up and get the parts on
Tee it
there?
up, do what
Okay,
you've been doing.
okay,
That was great. Tee it up.
Okay.
And then, but I'm available. I mean, ideally, text is going to be best, especially during the meeting. But during dinner, I can take calls. You know, the meeting starts at 4:30.
Okay.
So, common sense dictates. We've done how many fucking rallies together? I mean, you know what's going on. But the basics, right? The keys not on the bikes, keeping track of the keys, making sure Brandon's work is double checked by everybody all the time. Okay, somebody has to dedicated check his work. Like Jaden or Deegan, no exception, or LP. Okay, the biggest bugaboo we're gonna have is that FXR.
Are we close?
Well, all of our work is done, but the fucking rings are shot on the front cylinder. It's toast. Okay, so I want an update on that. And if I don't get it, I'll call for an update if you guys get sidetracked. But it looks like, you know, the guy needs a whole top end, right? But it's going to be an expensive one. So his options are to take it as it is, but he has to wait till I get back. I will invoice it when I get back. I'll work on it while I'm at the dinner. Okay, but he can't just take it. Right. Not with as it is. There's 25 fucking hours on that thing. So he wants to pay the bill as is, that's fine. But bottom line is, I'm happy to talk to him and explain to him, but you tell him I had a commitment, an engagement, right. But I will be back tonight.
What time do you think?
And if he wants a top end, if he wants it fixed and fixed right, because he's going to be here another week or whatever, then fine. I think 10 o'clock. I'm going to go back. But if he wants it fixed and fixed right, yeah, we'll pull top end off. But it's not negating the work that we did. Right. All the work we did needed to be done. Right. Okay? That engine is fucked. This is the only way to describe it.
So, do I hear you correctly that you're going to allow the bike to go out if he doesn't want that top end redone without paying?
No.
Or like, okay.
No.
Well, that's why I'm like, what the fuck is going on?
No.
Well, that's why I ask questions. Jesus.
It's not going
anywhere until the guy.
Thank you. That's what I want. Okay.
And if he has a problem with that, I don't want to talk.
Well, I mean, we're already doing him a huge favor. I mean, he was fucked when he showed up. I mean, what's another couple hours?
Yeah.
I mean.
Yeah.
But judgment call on who's doing what. But you know what Brandon can do.
Right.
Deegan and Jaden can do anything. Okay. Anything else?
At least 10 probably. I feel like we did a lot of invoicing and bikes rolling out of here this morning.
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we've done $31,000 worth of business just in service.
We're what, 96 bikes now? We started what, 1900?
Is that what we started with?
I think so,
Yep.
yeah. So 96 bikes in a couple of days.
Yeah. Do you want us to just feel the vibe as far as when to close the shop?
Yeah, feel the vibe. And I mean, I don't want Mandy staying here forever. She's got to
go.
Anyway,
Yeah.
But it's just, call it, decision making. I'm going to back whatever you guys do. But
Okay.
make the decision together. Work together.
Okay.
Like and subscribe if you know what's good for you.